Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. In this part 59B video, we're picking up in the second half of where we started in part 58A. So we converted two fractions, 3/7 and 12/13 into decimals. So 3/7 is equal to 0.42857 as a decimal, and 12/13 is equal to 0.92307. So now we're going to be adding these values as decimals, right? So it's imperative, if you want to catch up, you should watch that part 58A video, right? So there's something really important you want to do with these decimal values. When you add or subtract, you want to stack them up and line up these decimal values. Hey, let me show that to you now. Okay, so here's that rule I was talking about a second ago. Keep those decimals lined up when you add or subtract with decimals. So you can see these decimals are lined up even in the answer. It stays lined up when you add or subtract. Okay, the rule's different when you multiply or divide. But when you add or subtract, you just keep these decimals lined up. And let's add the digits, right? So 7 plus 7 is 14. I'm going to carry the 1. 5 plus 1 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. Put the 1 down, I carry the 1 in the tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. I put the 3 down, I carry the 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So adding those two fractions, 3/7 plus 12/13, gives you a decimal value of 1.35164, right? Because 3/7 was 0.42857 and 12/13 was 0.92307. And this is the sum you get when you add those two decimal values together. Now, what are these place values? What are each of these digits, place value? Okay, so starting with the digit to the left of the decimal, 1. And this is the ones place. So you can think of this as $1, right? $1. The digit to the right of the decimal is the tenths place. So you would say this is 3/10, right? The digit, 2 digits over from the decimal, here is the hundredths place. So you'd say 5/100. 3 digits to the right of the decimal is the thousandths place value. So you could say 1,000ths. All right, 4 digits to the right of the decimal, here is a 6. It's the 10, say that again. 10,000ths place value, right? So we have the 5 digits to the right of the decimal here. We have 100,000ths place value, so that's 400,000ths is how you would say that particular value. So I know this is something you really should learn. Math is a language, and when you hear these languages or terminologies, you really need to understand where they fit along the number line. So to the left of the ones place would be the tens place, and the left of the tens place is the hundredth place, and then the thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions place, right? So you really want to get to know these values. It will make math easy because math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.